Namaste, mabuhay! Welcome to my YouTube channel, Hands On Happy Hands. Krishna Janmashtami, its history and significance. Krishna Janmashtami, Lord Krishna's birth story. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari. Wishing you a happy and blessed Krishna Janmashtami. On this Janmashtami, may Lord Krishna fill your home with lots of happiness and joy. Happy Janmashtami to you and your loved ones. Krishna Janmashtami, its history and significance. Janmashtami is celebrated every year to mark the birth anniversary of Lord Krishna. He is considered as one of the most powerful human incarnations of Lord Vishnu. Krishna Janmashtami is also known simply as Janmashtami or Gokulashtami. It is an annual Hindu festival that celebrates the birth of Krishna, the eighth avatar of Vishnu. One of the forms of celebrating this occasion is Dahi Handi, or pot of curd. Over the years, Dahi Handi has become a ritual of Krishna Janmashtami. It imitates Krishna's childhood days. On the day of Janmashtami, a group of young boys form a human pyramid and attempt to break an earthen pot filled with curd. The pot is placed at a height of around 30 feet from the ground. Hindus celebrate Janmashtami by fasting, singing, praying together, preparing and sharing special food, night vigils, and visiting Krishna or Vishnu temples. They place an idol of a baby Krishna in a cradle and swing it joyously and offer it sweets, curd, and ghee. Devotees of Krishna will fast all day, visit the Krishna temple at night, and break their fast only at midnight, when he is said to have been born. This day signifies goodwill and the victory of good over evil. Krishna Janmashtami, Lord Krishna's birth story. According to Hindu mythology, the evil King Kansa ruled Mathura. To extend his empire, he married his sister with Vasudeva, the Laddu king. After the marriage, Kansa decided to shower the newlyweds with lavish gifts because he wants to gain the trust of Vasudeva. But heaven has another plan for them. When he takes the reins of the nuptial chariot, a voice from heaven booms that his evil ways will come to an end by his sister's 8th child. After knowing about his prophecy, Kansa sends his sister and her husband Vasudeva in a prison. Actually, Kansa wants to kill Devaki, but Vasudeva promised him that he will give all his 8 children in the hands of Kansa if he would spare Devaki's life. Kansa agreed, and one by one he killed all the 6 children who were born to the couple. For the 7 times when Devaki gets pregnant, interesting things started happening. Through a divine intervention, the 7th child of Devaki is transferred from her womb to the womb of Rohini, Vasudeva's first wife. And in this way, Devaki's and Vasudeva's 7th child was safely born. When again Devaki was pregnant, Kansa again was anxious to kill the couple's another child, but God's wish was different. Krishna was in fact the 8th child of Devaki and also an avatar of Lord Vishnu. When Devaki was going into the labor pain, Vishnu appears in her prison cell and informs Vasudeva that his 8th child is an incarnation of himself, that is Lord Vishnu, and will make an end of the kingdom of Kansa. That night was dark, with thunderstorms and lightning. Vishnu destroys all the locks and put the guards to sleep. He also gave Vishnu instructions on what he has to do, and then suddenly Lord Vishnu disappears. Vasudeva, as per the instructions, left the palace by carrying a wicker basket containing his divine son. He crossed the Yamuna into the village of Gokul and exchanges the baby with the newborn baby girl of Gokul's head Nanda and his wife Yashoda. In this way, Krishna grew up in Gokul and finally killed his uncle, Kansa. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari. Wishing you a happy and blessed Krishna Janmashtami. On this Janmashtami, may Lord Krishna fill your home with lots of happiness and joy. Happy Janmashtami to you and your loved ones. Please like and share the video, and remember to subscribe to my channel Hands on Happy Hands with me, Princess. Thank you very much for watching.